Well, low-grade fever and persistent cough for over 3 weeks can be a sign of dangerous tuberculosis bacteria taking hold of your body. TB needs sustained treatment, and taking any liberty with the course of medication can lead to multi-drug resistant TB. Take a look at the best way to avoid that predicament.
Tuberculosis is a disease caused by bacteria that usually attacks the lungs but can also affect other parts of the body. Early diagnosis and timely treatment of tuberculosis is must.
Tuberculosis is an infectious disease. It can involve all the organ system of the body from the head to the toe. The disease is caused by a bacteria that is called as AFB. The treatment for the tuberculosis is available. It is a curable disease. If you are having a low-grade fever, weight loss and cough that is persistent for more than 3 weeks, or you have got some pain in abdomen, loss of weight, then you are diagnosed to have tuberculosis.
Directly observed treatment short course, that is DOTS, is effective in treating tuberculosis. DOTS centers are available throughout the country.
If you take the treatment for 1 to 2 months, your symptom will disappear. But that does not mean that you are totally cured of the disease. The disease is still inside your body. So if you stop the treatment at this point of time, there are every chances that the disease will recur after some time.
Stopping the treatment in between or skipping doses can allow the bacteria that are still alive to become resistant to those drugs, leading to multi-drug resistant TB.
If you are having a multi-drug resistant strain, and if the infection is spreading to the new person, then from the first day onwards, to cure him is a difficult task for the doctors. So for your own sake and for the sake of the society, you please go to the DOT center, take the treatment as advised by the doctor to the duration as advised by the doctor.
Taking the complete course for TB treatment may prevent the risk of developing multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. Kiran Bhardwaj, DD News.